Hey everyone, welcome back to Kingna. If you're into classic cars like me, you're going to love what I've found today. We've got a mix of some beautiful old school rides, and they're all freshly listed on Craigslist. So let's dive into these 5 classics that were posted within the past few days. Grab a drink, sit back, let's check them out together. Car number 1, 1954 Ford Ranch Wagon, $18,500, Harrisonville, Missouri. All right, let's start with a real gem. A 1954 Ford Ranch Wagon. You don't see these wagons every day, and this one is an eye-catcher for sure. It's packing the original 239 Y-block engine and paired with an automatic transmission, which means it's got that classic Ford power combined with smooth driving. Power steering and brakes. Yep, that's going to make cruising around town a breeze. It's even got period-correct air conditioning. Now, this ranch wagon isn't just about function, it's got style too. The seller mentions it's got driver-quality paint, so it might not win awards at a car show, but it's perfect for someone who wants a solid, clean driver. The odometer reads 115,000 miles, which isn't too bad for a car that's 70 years old. If you're after a classic that you can actually enjoy on the road, this could be the one. Next up, we've got something special, a 1947 Oldsmobile Sedanet. Just the name alone sounds cool, right? This beauty comes with an original 257 straight 8.8 engine, and it's been kept true to its roots. The seller repainted it in its original yellow color code 76 for the Olds fans out there, and the interior has been redone to match the original pattern. This is a head turner for sure. What I love about this one is the details. The chrome is in excellent condition, no pitting at all, and it even has those rare fender skirts and a sun visor. You can tell the owner really took care of this car. They say it runs and drives great, so this isn't just a showpiece, it's something you could take out for a weekend cruise. The price is negotiable in person, which could be a sweet deal if you're in the area. Car number 3, 1948 Packard Super 8, $17,000, Cary, North Carolina. For the true vintage car enthusiasts, check out this 1948 Packard Super 8. With 80,684 miles on it, this is a well-preserved piece of history. This car has had some serious work done to keep it in top shape. New brakes, new hubs, a refurbished gas tank, and even a new carburetor. It's clear the seller wasn't cutting corners with this restoration. This Packard has a 3-speed manual transmission, and you know what that means. Real driving pleasure. The car's in custom paint, which gives it a unique look, and the seller even mentions that they've poured $10,000 into restoration. If you're after a rare vintage sedan with both beauty and brains and a lot of work already done for you, this could be the one to snatch up. Test drives are available if you're around Killdeer, Illinois. Car number 4, 1953 Ford Victoria Crestline, $16,000, Davenport, Iowa. Now this is a beauty with history, a 1953 Ford Victoria Crestline, and it's priced at $16,000 or best offer. This one has clocked 60,000 miles, and with its flathead V8 engine and automatic transmission, it's all original. The seller mentions they're the 3rd owner, which is always nice to hear with classics like this. The flathead V8 has a reputation for reliability, and it's paired with some newer radial tires for a smoother ride. This Crestline seems like a car that's been well loved, but sadly the owner is selling due to health reasons. If you're looking for a classy cruiser with some classic American styling, this Victoria might be the perfect addition to your garage. Car number 5, 1949 DeSoto Coupe, $16,000, Prescott Valley, Arizona. Last but definitely not least, we've got a 1949 DeSoto Coupe. I love this one because it's a bit different from the other cars we've seen today. The seller's asking $16,000, and while the odometer's broken, the car's been fitted with a ton of new parts. Air shocks in the rear, a 6-volt battery, and a brand new interior that cost $5,000 alone. The DeSoto runs a flathead 6 engine paired with a fluid drive transmission, which was an early version of an automatic. But get this, it still has the manual transmission lever on the column. How cool is that? This car is in good condition, and the seller seems to have really invested in making it a solid driver. And there you have it. 5 classic cars that you can find on Craigslist right now. From the sleek lines of the Oldsmobile Sedanet to the vintage charm of the DeSoto Coupe, there's something here for every classic car lover. If any of these caught your eye, let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. And if you're thinking about picking one up, don't wait too long, they won't last on the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Kingna for more classic car content. See you next time.